Hey there, homeowners! Today, I'm diving into some super actionable tips to save water and promote sustainability right at home. Stick around because these pointers not only help the environment, but they can also lower your utility bills. First things first, let's talk about fixing leaks. A dripping faucet might seem like a minor nuisance, but did you know it can waste more than 3,000 gallons of water a year? So get those leaks fixed pronto. You'll be surprised how much water and money you can save. Next up, let's install water-saving devices. Low-flow faucets, shower heads, and toilets can drastically cut down your water usage without sacrificing performance. Trust me, the technology has come a long way. For those of you with gardens, consider using drip irrigation. It's a game changer. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. Your plants get exactly what they need, and nothing goes to waste. When it comes to appliances, choose water-efficient models. Look for dishwashers and washing machines that have high water efficiency ratings. These appliances use significantly less water while still getting the job done. Plus, many come with energy-saving features too. SDG Goal 6 emphasizes the importance of accessing clean and safe water for everyone. By reducing water wastage, reusing grey water, and protecting water sources, we can all contribute to this global mission. Speaking of grey water, let's talk about reusing it. Grey water from your sinks, showers, and washing machines can be reused for irrigation and flushing toilets. It's a simple way to conserve fresh water and make the most of what you have. Keep rivers, lakes, and other water bodies clean by avoiding pollutants and supporting local water recycling initiatives. Every little bit helps. Sustainable water supplies are another cornerstone of water conservation. Rainwater harvesting, for example, is a fantastic way to collect and store rainwater for various uses around your home. Treating wastewater for reuse and maintaining groundwater sources through careful management are also key. Now, let's get into some everyday habits that can make a big difference. Fixing leaks, as I mentioned earlier, is crucial, but also make it a habit to turn off taps when not in use. Taking shorter showers and using water-efficient fixtures like low-flow faucets and toilets can drastically reduce your water footprint. Lastly, a quick refresher on the water cycle. It's all about evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. The sun's heat drives this cycle, distributing water around our planet. Understanding this helps us appreciate just how precious and interconnected our water resources are. So there you have it, folks. Simple, effective ways to save water and ensure sustainability. Implement these tips and you'll be making a real difference both for the environment and your wallet. Thanks for watching, and remember, every drop counts. Catch you next time.